The long list for the 2026 Booker Prize, one of the world's most prestigious literary awards, has been released, featuring 13 books written in English by authors from around the world. The highlight of this year's list is the strong presence of British authors. According to the jury, the selected novels represent a bold creative style and reflect the risk-taking nature of great fiction writing. However, no Indian author has been included in the 2026 Booker Prize longlist, a development that has sparked discussions and varied reactions in literary circles. The complete long list for the Booker Prize 2026 includes Chloe Aridge's book The Shadow of the Object, Emma Klein Switsey, McKenna Goodman Helen of Nowhere, M. John Harrison The End of Everything, Marlon James The Disappearers, Luke Kennard Black Bag, Kenan Orhan The Renovation, Rebecca Perry Maybe Feed the King, Gwendolyn Riley The Palm House, Elizabeth Strout The Things We Never Say, Douglas Stewart John of John, Jameel White All Them Dogs, Missouri Williams The Vivisectors. The Booker Prize is considered one of the most prestigious literary awards in the world, and being included in its long list is regarded as a significant achievement for any writer. The literary world is now looking ahead to the announcement of the shortlist, and eventually the winner as one of these 13 books will be chosen for the Booker Prize 2026. So viewers, which book or author do you think deserves to win the Booker Prize 2026? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.